Hey, what's up? Today we're going to create image transitions in Unity. So let's add a canvas, and then let's quickly add a image, and then we're going to go ahead and change the 650 by 80, and then we're going to go ahead and duplicate that image, and we'll nest it, and that's really important. Don't forget to do that. We'll name this one BG, and we'll go ahead and name this one FG. One's in the background, one's in the foreground. And then we'll plug in some images here. So let's go ahead and add that image. That was perfect. Let's go ahead and add that image. That's perfect. These are some images I'll have in the description if you want them. And then let's add some text, and we'll change the font to a font I have. I can't give that to you, but you can add whatever font you want. We'll name this inventory. And we'll set the size, I think, to 64 will be good. And let's go ahead and center that. And I'll make it white. And yeah, that'll be fine. And then let's go ahead and resize this here. Just make that fit. And voila, we got inventory. Perfect. All right, so now I'm just going to copy this, create a duplicate, and then I'm just going to delete the text inside. Don't need that. I'm going to create a bounding box here. So let's put that, make sure it's nested. Very important. We'll call it bounding box. You don't have to call it that, but you can call it whatever you want. And we'll just dump this image. We don't need that. We're going to make this non-visible because it's not necessary to be visible. This is the actual button that you're going to be able to get all your information for Unity. So make sure you have this button, and this is where you put all your scripts. Or this is whatever you plug into scripts. Okay, we're just going to change this to another color so it's quite visible, and set the bounding box to do something. So I'm just going to plug the text in here and make it change to string. There we go. And we'll call this click me. Clicked. I think clicked work. Alright, that's perfect. Fantastic. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold. And we'll down the alpha on that. Don't forget, that's really important. If you don't down the alpha, this won't work. Alright, that's on the foreground. And there we go. That's it. That's all. And when we click on it, look, it's clicked. Right? Fantastic. Very simple, very easy, and that's all you need to know.